When most people think about fossils, they usually think of things like great big dinosaur bones, or possibly little seashells. Or if you're really brave and think about fossil plants at all, you probably think about a gray-brown rock with a fern squashed on it. Well, today I'm going to show you some fossils that don't look like fossils. These brown leaves that you see here are all fossils. They're fossil leaves from the Eocene period, which was about 40 million years ago. And they come from Alcoa's open-cut coal mine. These are in the overburden of that coal mine, which is located in Anglesey along the Great Ocean Road. Once we got about 1,000 of them, we were able to look at the size and the shape and compare them to some other plants we found in Australia. And we realized that what we had here was a fossil rainforest. This was emphasized by the fact that maybe of the first 500 leaves we looked at, there were over 100 different kinds. So we got to the point that we knew that we had a fossil rainforest, a tropical rainforest. Wait a minute. Victoria isn't tropical. But this says it was tropical. How can that be possible? The Eocene was a very important time in Victoria. Australia was still connected to Antarctica and to South America, to a continent called Gondwana. And this is particularly important because Victoria was the hinge, the last connection between Antarctica and Australia. And when that severed, cold ocean currents circulated, the climate deteriorated rapidly. No more could tropical rainforest plants be happy in Victoria. And any organism faced with a major environmental change has three choices. Number one, it can stay there and become extinct. Number two, it can evolve to the new set of parameters. Or number three, it can run away. And it does that by selectively breeding in one direction so the whole population moves through millions of years. We have examples of all of those here. One of the reasons I started to be a paleobotanist, and I'm still a paleobotanist, is that every time I split open a rock and see something inside, it's like opening a Christmas present. And I realize that I'm the first eyes to see that in 40 million years. And that buzz keeps me going.